In this video we can talk about top 5 Synthesia alternatives. Hey all, welcome to the Alternatives Co channel. If you're looking for a new video editing software and considering Synthesia, but would like to explore other options, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll go over the top 5 alternatives to Synthesia and compare their features to help you make an informed decision. The first alternative is Vid.io. Vid.io is a web-based video editing tool that offers features like video trimming, text overlay, and background removal. It's a great option for those looking for a simple yet powerful video editor that's easy to use and has excellent collaboration features. Second alternative is Pictory. Pictory is a video creation platform that offers features like script to video, blog to video, and auto caption videos. It's a great option for those who need to create high-quality videos quickly and easily. Pictory also has an extensive library of royalty-free music to add to your videos. Third alternative is InVideo. InVideo is a web-based video editing software that offers features like meme generator, video maker, invitation maker, and slideshow maker. It's a great option for those who need to create videos for social media quickly and easily. Fourth alternative is Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is a video creation platform that uses AI technology to turn blog posts into videos. It offers features like blogs to videos, talking head videos, merge videos, and compress videos. It's a great option for those who need to create videos for social media quickly and easily. Fifth alternative is Descript. Descript is a video and audio editing software that offers features like transcription, podcasting, overdub, and screen recording. It's a great option for those who need to create high-quality videos with text and audio quickly and easily. Compared to Synthesia, Vid.io offers more video editing capabilities, while Pictory provides a more intuitive video creation experience. InVideo is similar to Synthesia in terms of its AI-powered video creation features, but it also offers more advanced customization options. Lumen 5 focuses more on creating social media videos with its easy-to-use templates, while Descript offers more advanced audio editing features. If you're looking for a video creation tool that provides advanced customization options, we recommend InVideo as the best option. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.